Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Thokchom Satyabrata affirmed that there is a strong possibility of forming a popular government in the state very soon. Speaking to the media after attending a program at Yaiskul Janmasthan before departing for New Delhi today, the speaker said that a government desired by the people may take shape soon. When asked if his Delhi visit is related to the formation of government, he refrained from giving any comment. It may be recalled that ex-Chief Minister and Hangang Assembly Constituency MLA N. Birin, along with other BJP legislators, left for New Delhi yesterday to meet central leaders regarding the political situation in Manipur. The fresh political developments have raised expectations that a new government could be formed after more than 8 months of president's rule. Meanwhile, several civil organizations have imposed restrictions on Kuki MLAs, barring them from extending support to any process of government formation. This begs the question regarding central leadership's stance on the political situation in Manipur.
Thank you.